Fujiko has reopened. It is through these glass windows here. It overlooks the springs and the waterfalls in the area. It is a signature dining restaurant. And I did see some availability for the week that we are here, but we just have other options that we're going for this week. Let's see if we can get into this pool area. Here is a map of the pool area with the water slide, spa, wading pool. Pool hours here are currently 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. There's really actually quite a lot of seating at this pool. I've seen a lot of open seats, but it's also not summer, so that might be a little bit different for different times of the year. My room is right up here. You saw the room tour. You saw me overlooking the pool area. There's another entrance over here, and then there's the pool bar area. So you can actually get, I think you can get a few food items and drinks for sure. Here, if you'd like to just do some poolside dining, there is the slide over there, and I want to go take a look at the spa. This is the schedule of events at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and there's a QR code you can scan for more information. This is the kids waiting area. There are currently no kids using it. There are, however, a few adults seated around it. There's plenty of tables and chair seating here. Again, there's lots of seating areas that are not poolside, where you can enjoy the lush and very tropical grounds of this resort. Let's go check out the spa. Our recreational activities, no charge for ping pong. There is cornhole as well. There is a kids playground area back here. Very important when picking your Disney resort, folks. If you have little ones, you need great playgrounds for them. Places to burn off some steam for sure. Then we have hot tub area. Not very many seats back here, just 3 or 4. And then I'm guessing a load capacity of about 10. Good. I also do not see any sort of signage about adult-only areas, and do see some kiddos in here as well. That's going to be very important the next few days because it's going to get quite chilly. I'm going to stop in and show you the fitness room at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I have no plans to use this week. However, when I'm booking my clients for like Run Disney events, things like that, they want to know what's available to them. So just a quick peek here. The longer the vacation, sometimes the more need for this there is. You don't want to be away from your regular routine for too long. Ooh, massage room. I did not know that Animal Kingdom Lodge had massage, like spa activities. They do have men's and women's locker room and steam room and sauna, it says. Women's locker room, steam room, and sauna. Nice.